Hi everyone, my name is Eric Nsengyumva. I'm a K plus student, and today I'm now going to talk about my high school leadership. Yeah, I remember when I was doing my high school, especially in senior 3. Yeah, by that time, I really attended the school, and by that time we had a competition. It was just a tournament, and the tournament gathered all schools in the area, and they were also part of the tournament. So by that time, we also attended the competition, and the competition was really tough. It was so hard because it was really competitive, and every school was willing to be the best, and every school was about to see the way they can just move forward, to see the way they can be the champion. So as we were also part of the school, we were also part of the tournament, we also tried our level best to see that we can also be among the best. And by that time we had a meeting as the school. We also organized ourselves, and we also try our level best to see the way we can also go ahead to see if you can be our if you can get the chance to be the champion. And then we tried our best, and we played against those schools. Fortunately, we just reached at semifinals. By that time, we won the semifinals and we moved ahead to the finals. So we played with another school. It was really tough. It was a final, and you know, when it comes for a final, every school has to be really competitive and has to be really serious. So we made a draw. After making a draw, we just move on for the penalty kicks, and by chance, it was a chance. I can say it wasn't by our, it was a chance because it was by penalty kicks. After that, we won and we became the champions. So after the champions, we came back at school. We had a party to celebrate our hard work, and it was so fantastic because it was a great achievement that we made during that period. So after some while, we had a vote, and to see who can be the captain of the team, and it was an opportunity for me also to be part of the people who will be also be to be part of the people who are going to see the way they can be also the team captain. So by chance, it was a chance. I can say that it was my luck, or it was my hard work. By chance, I was selected as the team captain, and it gave me more opportunities to lead a team as a team captain, and it gave me some more chances to experience new things, to start working with youth, to see how to get more challenges, and to be part of the team committee as a team captain. So by that time, I started to organize meetings with the other students, with the other footballers, and I get more skills, like solving skills that I never knew before. And apart from that, I started managing the team, and I was the representative of the team. So I learned so many skills. So I also learned how to be professional in terms of representing something. So because there is some meetings which were just happening somewhere, and I was the one to be there to represent my team because I'm the team leader, as a team captain. So after that, I started also dealing with the other people by making some kind of connections, and to see how the team can be moving forward, to see the way we can enhance our professionalism in our careers. And then I started learning other things, like in decision making. When a student or when a player makes a mistake, I'm not the one to take like a final decision, because I have a committee. We have to sit in the committee, and we try to see how we can also deal with with the mistake that the person made, to see the way we can keep the person, and we can also advise so that the person can't also repeat the same mistakes. So it was a good opportunity, and by that time it was so good, because I started collaborating with new students. I started also collaborating with new people whom I didn't even know before. For me, it was really an experience that I experienced, and it gave me another opportunity to keep moving forward and to enhance my career. So I can say, for those people who have skills, or for those people who have some talent in any career, they shouldn't take their career for granted, because we never know what can happen next. Because nowadays people are moving forward, or people are getting better life just for their career. You can be a professional footballer, and other teams can just come and look for you, and you can get that opportunity, which can also help you in your future career. So I encourage those people who have their career, who have their talent, to keep moving forward, to be courageous, and to be committed for what they are doing, and they should keep loving what they are doing. So this was an experience that I learned, and this was part of my leadership skill that I learned in high school. And I appreciate and I thank everyone for watching this video. I wish you all the very best. Thank you.